I think he's just staring at me. And Peanut. But Peanut's bigger than him, so. I don't know where he's going. Looks like my neighbor's house almost. Yeah, he's on the move. Yeah, every time he comes down this way, we scare him and he leaves. Oh well.